Let's pivot towards that conversation of the ICC confirmation of charges hearing currently ongoing. How are you satisfied so far with the prosecution? Are you confident that this will be going to a full trial? And your reaction also on former President Duterte not being present in the chambers?
Well, so far, for the last 2 days, ng confirmation of charges, the prosecutor are did very well doon sa kanilang mga presentation noong kanilang ng charges. Tingin natin this will push through to a full trial. Nakikita natin naman na very confident yung mga prosecutor at nakita doon talaga na systematic at merong policy talaga ng Duterte administration, yung mga EJK, dahil may mga may mga memo yan. At yung hindi pagdalo naman ni Duterte, well, it's his right, pinayagan naman siya ng ICC. Tingin natin na meron namang reasons yung ICC para payagan siyang hindi dumalo. Pero siguro sa trial, dapat dumalo siya.
Ma'am, are you actively looking into the possible arrests of the other people that were named, the 8 people that were named during the, not yesterday, but the day before during the hearings? What can be done, especially to our sitting senators?
Well, hindi ako privy kung merong ganyan, kung merong warrant of arrest, pero I hope na ma-arresto rin sila dahil nga sila yung co-perpetrator hindi lang naman si former President Duterte yung gumawa noong kailangan merong co-perpetrator at yun ang in-establish ng prosecutor for the last 2 days.